In today's video, I will walk you through how to change currency on a Stripe invoice. To begin, head over to Stripe. Once you are on the home page, look for the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner and click on it. After signing in, you will be taken to your dashboard homepage. From the dashboard, go to the left-hand side menu and find the Invoice option. Click on Invoice to open the Invoice section. On the Invoice page, find and click the Create Invoice button. This will open the invoice creation page where you can set up the invoice details. In the invoice creation page, the first step is to select a customer. Choose the customer you want to create the invoice for. After selecting the customer, locate the currency option on the page. Click on the currency option to open the available currency selections. Scroll through the list of available currencies and choose the currency you want to use for the invoice. Make sure the selected currency is the one you need before continuing. Once the currency has been selected, review the invoice details. Check that everything is correct before sending the invoice. When you are ready, find the Send Invoice button and click on it. The invoice will be sent to the selected customer with the chosen currency. You have now successfully changed the invoice currency in Stripe and sent the invoice. Thank you for watching.